Our Eye on Politics reporter Jack Fink is here. And Jack, this is 2 down days now for the market. So how might this impact individual investors and businesses?
Well, Karen, we saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average drop 890 points yesterday, which is about 2%. The S&P 500 also fell nearly 3%, and the Nasdaq fell 4%. And all three are lower than they were on Election Day. I spoke to CBS News business analyst and certified financial planner Jill Schlesinger about what's driving the sell-offs and what you should do given what's going on.
I think there's such a cloud of uncertainty hanging over the economy and hanging over businesses and consumers as well. And we see it really in this tariff situation. You know, you get an announcement of a tariff, and then all of a sudden it's put on ice for 30 days. Then it's put back in place. Then some things are exempted. Then there's going to be a 25% tariff on Canadian steel and aluminum. Now it's 50%. So this back and forth creates quite a bit of uncertainty. And I think that the public is starting to feel a little bit uncertain about prices, which they expect to rise, and anxiety that the economy is slowing down. And you put it all together, that cloud of uncertainty can lead to an investor thinking, you know what, let me push the sell button. It's been 2 great years for the stock market. Let's see what happens next. And that's not what I'm suggesting that you or I do, because we're long-term investors, but you can see how uncertainty can breed the need or the desire to do something. And doing something for most individuals is not actually a good thing. But I think for a large institution, they'd rather wait and see and rather than endure the pain.
So for the individual investor, you're saying hold tight.
I hate when I say that and everyone's like, oh, come on, Jill, we can't hold tight. I have something for you to do instead, okay? Instead of messing around with your 401k or your 403b, maybe you actually take some action in your personal financial life. You know, the part of your life that you can control. Why don't you take a look and say, hey, wait, if the economy were to slow down or even potentially go into a recession, do I have an adequate emergency reserve fund? You know, 6 to 12 months of your living expenses in a safe place. Have I tried to whittle down that debt, that credit card balance, an auto loan, the student loans? Or maybe if those 2 things are all set, have I actually put money into my retirement account? Can I put a little bit more in? Sometimes it makes you feel better to think about the fact that, you know, if you're putting new money in the market, you're certainly buying it at a discount right now. So those are just a few things to consider instead of starting to yank money out of stocks and throw it into cash.
President Trump is set to speak to the Business Roundtable in Washington late this afternoon, and perhaps he will elaborate more on his economic vision for the future.
So, Jack, there was so much optimism after the election. We saw the stock market surge. It's only been a few weeks, really, just a handful of weeks. So what's happening?
Well, investors and businesses were certainly very optimistic amid talk of Congress making the Trump tax cuts from 2017 permanent and cutting more regulations on businesses. But now that we are seeing the president focus on tariffs, which has triggered other countries to respond, and experts are saying businesses, big and small, are very concerned about the impact on the prices they pay, on their profits, and how to plan for the future. That's also the uncertainty that Jill was talking about. The president has said he wants to bring back more manufacturing to the U.S. Business analysts say that takes time, and there are no guarantees that that's actually going to happen.
All right. There's nothing we can really do but sit and wait and set some money aside if we can.
Yeah, Jill said hold tight if you can.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Jack. Really appreciate it.
You bet.